Wanna know how to leave a party in Paladins? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Paladins game. So once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface right here. So once you're under this interface, on the top right side, you should be seeing this friends icon right here. So you can just simply select it. Now once you have selected this friends icon, here you should be seeing various options, and by default you should be under the friends tab right here. So once you're under there, on the left side you should be seeing party with multiple friends icon. So you can just simply select. So right here you can just simply either create a party, or it should view your joined parties where you can just add friends to party as well. There was a previous video on how to invite friends to party, so make sure to watch it. So right beside all invite friends to party, here you should be seeing leave right here. So this should be at the bottom, so you can just simply select it, and your party should be left easily if there are friends in it. So if there are no friends though, you can leave it. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.